Jubilee as a party, it's very important also to know that even in politics, quite frankly, we work within structures and frameworks that have been set out in the various institutions we work with. The NDC took place last week. The party leader and the leaders of Jubilee expressed themselves very well. A new changed constitution or amended constitution was approved. A new framework of reforming the party was approved. A process of registering new members now has begun. That's why I'm actually meeting some of these Jubilee grassroots youth mobilizers to begin now a drive of registering new members in Jubilee and expanding Jubilee at the grassroots level. Then the process, I think, will be followed by organization of the party as we go forward. I don't want to put the cart before the horse about decisions. As I said, I don't want to put the cart before the horse on that particular matter in terms of what is going to happen next. The party has got all its organs in place. The special NDC was the beginning of that process. Several activities will take place: recruitment, reforming of the party, reorganization, and then the process of choosing a presidential candidate will happen in the party. What I am doing myself is campaigning among as members of Jubilee, because you'll have to be nominated first of all by the members of the party. And I'm talking to the members of Jubilee at the grassroots level. I have started this. This is the first of a series of 47 such meetings I'm going to have across the country. I'm going to meet Jubilee members in every county in Kenya, go to every villages where I can find members of Jubilee. As I encourage them to register, I also ask them to consider me for the formal and official nomination when they nominate their candidates, including their candidate for the presidential contest. So that's what I can say at the moment. And then you can see the work has begun. That's what the NDC said last week, and that's exactly what we are doing. On the issue of the opposition,